Welcome to our channel PC Troubleshooter. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the language in Google Chrome. I'm gonna teach you in an easy way and step by step. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, it's quite important for us. Okay, let's go and start now. So the first thing that you have to do is obviously open your Google Chrome. Just go double click. Once you open Google Chrome, the thing that you have to do is go to the top right corner where you see three little dots, click in there, and then go to the option settings or settings. Then you are gonna go to the option advanced on the left hand side, and you are gonna see language. Just click in language, and here at the top is telling you the language which is coming as a default for a Google Chrome. So if you want to change, for example, at the moment I'm gonna change to Spanish. So just go to the little arrow here, click in there, and select the language. So if you don't have the language, just click here in Add Language. Select the language. We are gonna select Spanish. Click in Spanish and click Add. Once the Spanish is already set up there, you need to go back here in front of Spanish to the three little dots, click in there, and go to the option Display Google in this language. That means the next time when you open Google Chrome, you are gonna see your Google Chrome in Spanish. Let's have a look. Just close Google Chrome again, open Google Chrome, and we are gonna see here that our search is in Spanish. Buscar en Google o escribir una URL. Okay, so that means if you go to the three little dots, all the options are in Spanish. Okay, that is a short video. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave the comments below, and give us a like. See you on the next time.